G'day everyone, it's Alan from Off Camber 4x4. We recently updated the 12 volt setup in the back of the MDC with products from the KICKASS range. Let's have a look at what we chose to use and why, so you too can take more power out into the bush. In terms of batteries, we went with two 120 amp hour deep cycle batteries from KICKASS. We chose to link these batteries to increase our bank capacity and also paired it with their DC to DC charger. Can't speak highly enough of how easy the kit was to install. Everything's pre-assembled in terms of the DC to DC charger's connections, and all the wires are marked as well, so even someone with basic 12 volt knowledge could easily install this over a few hours on a weekend. In terms of the charger itself, it gives me the confidence, one, that it's IP67 rated, keep any dust or water out, and also the fact that now I can ensure the charge coming in from the vehicle can be maximised through that charging system to my batteries. Also with the kit, it has the ability to manage your solar input, so now we've got the ability for the trailer to have solar in through that charging system as well. And also had the 20 amp hour battery charger laying around, so I decided to install that on the backboard as well. That way when I'm at home I can get good power in from the mains and ensure the system's always topped up and ready for a camping trip. So we had the chance to take the trailer away recently on a weekend away. For us, we ran all our lights, accessories, and also a 109 litre fridge all weekend and didn't have an issue whatsoever. We had really good charge coming in from the solar blanket as well through the DC to DC charger, and I can't recommend it highly enough.